Scottish plans to include transgender women in equality law tested in court. Why is this happening?
So there is a judicial review occurring over the plan to include transgender women in legislation aimed at improving gender balance on public boards. So we're talking about the idea of, in any type of public board where members of the community, the citizens, could represent, there is discussion about including transgender women in that as women. And so, if there are any prohibitions against women serving in a certain capacity, or if there's a certain number that must be met, it would, of course, impact that. For Women Scotland is now challenging the revised guidance from the Scottish government that the definition of woman should include transgender women with a gender recognition certificate. The campaign spokesperson, Aidan O'Neill, said that if the court found against For Women Scotland, that would mean that protections in the 2010 Equality Act, which lists sex and gender reassignment as protected characteristics, would no longer be based on biological sex, but on certificate sex. So there is this fight to, hold transgender women out of those spaces that are women's space only. So this is, Scotland has been moving some great stuff forward, but this challenge is now, asking the government to think twice about including women, transgender women, in those women only spaces.